Hello. In this video, I'm going to explain how to set up playbooks on a Kubernetes cluster using Helm Charts. I'll be following this documentation. I'm going to do a fresh clone of playbooks repository, and I'm going to go into the Helm folder. I'm going to quickly check what is the Kubernetes cluster setup in my context. This is the cluster I want to deploy playbooks on. Before doing that, I should copy paste the subnets of my Kubernetes cluster in the ingress file. And now I'm running a command to install on the playbooks namespace. Now, when the installation is done, let me quickly check if our pods are up and if our services are up. Now, I can quickly check the portal endpoint. So the playbooks end portal should be running on this endpoint. Since it's a load balancer created within AWS, it will take a couple of minutes to be provisioned and for all the propagation setup. So we'll just wait here for a minute. As you can see, the portal is up now. So we'll just do a quick sign in with my credentials. So now you should be able to start setting up your playbooks. You can also set up an external database instead of using the Postgres that is created on the fly as a stateful set. The instructions are present in this documentation. Thank you.